This is one of the simplest and easiest chutney you can ever make. This pure white coconut onion chutney is the perfect combination for soft idlis and dosas. With a simple tadka on top of it, the taste becomes absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of fresh coconut. If you are using frozen coconut, make sure you bring it to room temperature. Next I'm adding about a half inch of ginger, 2 green chilies. You can add more according to your spice level. A small quarter piece of onion. This is what gives a beautiful different taste to this chutney. A small piece of tamarind. 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal. It gives a good consistency to the chutney. Salt as per your taste. Let's take this to the blender. To make a simple tadka, add a tablespoon of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves. And that's it. Here the chutney is ready. Let's pour the tadka on top of it. Here you go, a beautiful coconut onion chutney, a great combination for idli and dosa. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.